5 biggest mistakes to avoid before buying car mats. Don't make these 5 mistakes, or else you will waste money. Mistake 1. Buying universal mats. They are cheap, slippery, and of poor quality. Mistake 2. Taking material for granted. Cheap material doesn't last long, causes a bad smell and cracks. Mistake 3. Mats with no anti-skid bottom. Such mats cause blockage to the pedals. Mistake 4. No dust and waterproofing. Such mats create a mess during the rainy and summer seasons. Mistake 5. Prioritizing style over protection. Looks matter, but non-protective mats are of no use. So what's the hack? Buy Autofurnish 9D or 7D car mats. Link in the bio. Follow for more car tips and hacks.